Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The complete guide to waterless car wash products, benefits, usage and more. Waterless car wash products have gained popularity in recent years as a convenient and eco-friendly way to maintain the appearance of vehicles. These products offer a water-saving alternative to traditional car washing methods, making them particularly appealing in areas with water restrictions or for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. In this video, we will explore the benefits of waterless car wash products, how they work, and why they are becoming a preferred choice for many car owners. Please do comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking for a more sustainable car cleaning solution, understanding the advantages of waterless car wash products can help you make an informed decision for your vehicle maintenance routine. What are waterless car wash products? Waterless car wash products are innovative solutions designed to clean vehicles without the need for water. These products are formulated to lift dirt and grime from the surface of the car, encapsulate it, and provide a protective layer to prevent scratching during the cleaning process. Definition and purpose. Waterless car wash products are specifically formulated to offer a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional car washing methods. They are designed to clean, shine, and protect the vehicle's surface without requiring copious amounts of water, making them a popular choice for car owners looking to conserve water and minimize their environmental impact. How do waterless car wash products work? Waterless car wash products typically contain lubricants, cleaning agents, and surfactants that work together to emulsify and lift dirt from the car's surface. When applied, these products break down the dirt particles, allowing them to be wiped away without scratching the paint. The lubricants in the formula also help encapsulate the dirt, reducing the risk of swirl marks and scratches during the cleaning process. Additionally, the protective layer left behind by the product helps repel water and dirt, keeping the car cleaner for longer periods. Benefits of waterless car wash products. Waterless car wash products offer a range of benefits that make them a convenient and eco-friendly choice for car owners. Environmental benefits. Waterless car wash products are designed to clean vehicles without the need for water, reducing water consumption significantly. Traditional car washes can use up to 150 gallons of water per wash, contributing to water wastage and pollution. By using waterless car wash products, car owners can help conserve water resources and minimize the environmental impact of vehicle cleaning. Time and effort savings. Using waterless car wash products can save car owners valuable time and effort. With traditional car washing methods, there is a need for gathering supplies, setting up hoses, and spending time on the actual washing process. Waterless car wash products simplify the cleaning process, allowing car owners to achieve a clean and shiny vehicle with less time and physical exertion. Paint protection. Waterless car wash products offer a protective layer that helps safeguard the vehicle's paint. The advanced formulas of these products create a barrier that shields the paint from environmental contaminants, UV rays, and other potential sources of damage. By using waterless car wash products, car owners can maintain the appearance and longevity of their vehicle's finish, reducing the frequency of paint touch-ups and preserving its resale value. How to use waterless car wash products. Step-by-step guide. Using waterless car wash products is a convenient and effective way to maintain the cleanliness of your vehicle without the need for water. To start, ensure that your car is parked in a shaded area and the surface is cool to the touch. Begin by spraying a small amount of the waterless car wash solution onto a microfiber towel. Then, gently wipe the towel across the surface of the car in a back-and-forth motion, working in small sections to ensure thorough coverage. Once the product has been applied, use a separate clean microfiber towel to buff the surface to a brilliant shine. Tips for optimal results. To achieve the best results when using waterless car wash products, consider the following tips. Use high-quality microfiber towels to prevent scratching the car's surface. Work on one section of the car at a time to avoid allowing the product to dry before wiping it off. For heavily soiled areas, allow the product to dwell for a few moments before wiping it off. Regularly rotate the microfiber towels to expose a clean surface and prevent smearing. Avoid using excessive pressure when wiping the car to minimize the risk of leaving swirl marks. Choosing the right waterless car wash product. Considerations for product selection. When choosing a waterless car wash product, there are several factors to consider to ensure you select the right one for your needs. Firstly, consider the type of surface you will be cleaning. Different products are formulated for specific surfaces such as glass, metal, and plastic. Next, think about the level of dirt and grime on your vehicle. If you frequently encounter heavy dirt buildup, opt for a product with stronger cleaning agents. Environmental impact is another vital consideration. Look for biodegradable and eco-friendly options to minimize your carbon footprint. Popular brands and their features. Several popular brands offer a wide range of waterless car wash products, each with unique features catering to specific needs. Megiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax is known for its advanced polymer chemistry, providing a deep clean and leaving a glossy finish. Griot's Garage Rinseless Wash and Wax is a favorite among car enthusiasts for its high lubricity, effectively encapsulating dirt for scratch-free cleaning. Another notable brand, Chemical Guys, offers EcoSmart RU Waterless Wash and Wax, recognized for its versatile formula suitable for various surfaces and its ability to lift dirt without scratching. These brands are trusted for their quality and effectiveness in maintaining a spotless vehicle without the need for water. By considering the surface type, level of dirt, and environmental impact, and exploring the features of popular brands, you can confidently select the right waterless car wash product for your specific requirements. Addressing common concerns about waterless car wash products, potential risks and how to mitigate them. Waterless car wash products are generally safe for the environment and vehicle surfaces when used according to the instructions. However, there are some potential risks to be aware of. One concern is the potential for scratching the car's surface during the cleaning process. To mitigate this risk, it is important to use high-quality microfiber towels and to ensure that the car is not excessively dirty before using the waterless wash. Additionally, inspect the towels for any debris that could cause scratching and avoid excessive pressure during application. Another concern is the potential for streaking or residue left behind on the car's surface. To avoid this, it is essential to use the recommended amount of waterless wash solution and to buff the surface thoroughly with a clean microfiber towel. Choosing a reputable waterless car wash product from a trusted manufacturer can also help minimize the risk of streaking or residue. Usage limitations and best practices. While waterless car wash products offer convenience and effectiveness, they are not suitable for heavily soiled vehicles or vehicles coated in mud or sand. In such cases, a traditional wash with water is recommended to avoid potential damage to the vehicle's finish. To achieve the best results with waterless car wash products, it is essential to work in small sections, ensuring complete coverage and thorough buffing to prevent streaking. Additionally, using multiple microfiber towels in rotation can help maintain a clean surface during the process and achieve a streak-free shine. By being mindful of these potential risks and practicing best usage techniques, waterless car wash products can effectively and safely maintain the cleanliness of your vehicle while minimizing water consumption and environmental impact. In concluding, waterless car wash products offer a convenient and eco-friendly way to keep your vehicle clean and polished. With their innovative formulas, these products not only save water, but also provide effective cleaning and protection for your car's exterior. By choosing waterless car wash products, you can contribute to environmental conservation while maintaining the aesthetics of your vehicle. Make an informed decision to switch to waterless car wash products and enjoy the benefits they offer. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.